Hey y'all, I'm back. Okay, I'm back. And we're back. We're rolling, y'all. I got some coffee back here and some water. I cannot believe I'm back doing videos. I have been going through it, y'all. Good day, fellow Fae. Welcome back to Wood Dweller's Domain. I am Wood Dweller. I am a little shocked that I'm actually making a video. I know that I have been backed up on this channel for a minute, and I do want to say thank you for still rocking with me. A lot has been going on, y'all. I've been undergoing transformation. I've been undergoing shedding and renewal and recovery and healing, and I'm just hoping that everybody's 2023 year is amazing. Although I know that challenges are not something that we can avoid, I just hope that everybody can make the best of what they're going through, because I'm definitely going through a bit. Yeah, I'm still alive, so that's a good thing. And I'm really blessed to be here, and just, I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna switch the topic on that one because I could go down a rabbit hole with that. But yeah, so today's video is honestly in honor of a really close friend of mine. Her and I actually formed a friendship. I'm not gonna say very recently, but kind of. It was recent. I would say within the last year or so. But yeah, she has a Patreon, and I received her welcome box very recently, and so I wanted to do an unboxing video in order to kind of show y'all what I got, but also if y'all are interested in supporting her. She is an author, and I'll post her books below. She has several links on Amazon and things like that, so I'll post her books below and I'll post her Instagram below. But I'm really excited because her and I are actually pretty close. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, first it's this. Okay, and it's this. This is her, if you could see that. That's she, Lady Candy. Oh my gosh, I have an idea. Oh, and it has an owl on it. Do you see the... There you go. Looks like a book. And it also has her name on the side, y'all. Can you see that? Candy Mitchell. So I am a part of the Peculiar crew, y'all, and I feel like y'all should be too if y'all are interested. It says Candy D. Mitchell, the Peculiar Fairy. Okay, and then this was the last thing, and I think I know what this is, but here is a bookmark. Okay. Now I do have the first one here, and I'm thinking this is the second one, the second book that I have of hers. The grass brushed against his calves as if hands fawning over his return. And she designed I think she designed the print and everything. I'm not sure. Although I feel like she has someone who also does this as well. I can have her comment below, and you can see, or she can tell you, sorry, if she does or not, or if she did. I'm guessing first I'm gonna open Also with the owl theme. With the owl theme here. And the funny thing is, on my phone, keeping up with the owl thing, on my phone, yesterday, the kids, they had like this sticker book, and it had like a lot of animals on it, and so my youngest was like, here mommy, this one's yours, and she gives me the owl because she knows I love owls. So yeah, first I'm gonna open this one. Let's open this one. This is awesome. That's awesome. Okay, that's her book. That's her second book. Okay, let's open. I'm gonna save this one for last. Let's open this one next. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Look how cute. Do y'all see that? Oh my gosh. Okay. This is adorable. It's like it's on a fairy treehouse. Oh, y'all owls. Like, yay. This is awesome. I'm gonna leave her links down below. She does do paintings. She writes. She's a mom. She's awesome, y'all. Check her out. And this is the last one. This is so cute. I'm gonna keep it because it's her. And we are actually friends in real life. Okay. So first, mushroom pin. Oh wait, let me put this down for a second so y'all can see. A mushroom pin. It's like the one that you can like put to your shirt kind of thing. I have a jacket behind the camera. See? There it is. Let me fix my necklaces. There we go. See y'all? Mushies. Okay. And then next we have a sticker, which is probably gonna go on my like computer or something, or my laptop. That's her. Oh, it looks just like her. Oh my god, Candy. This is so cute. I'm gonna put it on my laptop, I think. But yeah. Sorry, y'all. Sorry if I'm out of it today. Look how cute she is. Okay. And also, I think she's a really awesome artist. And I feel like she made this box as well, too. Okay, this is cute. This is her character in her book. And it's a keychain. Can you see that? Sorry. There we go. I know my, let's check on the, there we go. Oh, perfect. Okay. There we are. How cute. And she also did this one too. She drew it. How cool is that? I'm gonna put this probably on my personal keychain, like that I just have, like, or either hang it up somewhere, like on the wall or something. I think that's cute. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna put it on my keychain because I don't want anything to happen to it. Oh, it has the website on there too. On the very bottom, it has her Instagram handle. Can y'all see that? Sorry. I know my focus is kind of weird, but anyways, I'm going to insert all of her things below, her Instagram, where you can find her books at. I have been going through, personally, in my personal life, I've been going through a ton. I have been meaning to sit down and actually get through several books. Her book, I've been doing Amanda Stevens, her 3-part book, and I got through one of them completely, but now I have to start over since I found out that the one that I got through thrifting was actually the second, not the first. So I had to go back and buy the first and third, and now I have to reread the second one after I read the first one, and then the third one after that, on top of Candy's books. And then I have a book about yoga, like the fundamentals of yoga, because I am actually planning a project in regards to possibly starting yoga as an instructor. I do have to take courses and everything like that and get like the training down pat, but I want to do it for a body positive movement, but also any and everyone can do it, no matter your shape or size. So I'm thinking about that. But yeah, I have a book in regards to yoga I have to catch up on. I have to catch up on tons of books. I'm hoping that this year I'll do a little bit more self-reflection and self-care. I have been thumbing through this one book, Self-Care for Moms. That's something that I'm trying to implement, like 100% in my life, because I definitely need it, but also I need to kind of get a grip of my reality right now. And when it comes to giving so much of yourself and not really putting that back into yourself, that's when you can kind of empty out your tank of energy. So yeah, I'm going to get started on her books 100% this year, and I'm hoping that y'all can check her out, comment and like some of her stuff on her Instagram. She's an artistic, magical mom. She's an awesome writer, and just the way that her creativity just like oozes out. I've been following her for some time, but her and I, like I said before, we've formed like a really close friendship very recently. And I mean, I talk to her every week, like literally every week, and we come together and we can bond and relate on other things. So yeah, I hope that y'all check her out. I am gonna go. I have another video that I'm gonna be working on today, but it's gonna be for a style book. So hopefully y'all can watch out for that. I appreciate everybody for following me. Oh, thank you also to everybody who reported that page on Instagram who stole my pictures and my name and my likeness. And I pretty much, like, the way that I discovered it was gone. I had to go through a different computer to kind of see whether or not it was still there, and it was completely gone. So I feel like everybody was able to get it off of Instagram, which was awesome. I really appreciate that. It's really scary when people steal your pictures and they pretend to be you for some sort of weird reason. I'm not sure. Yeah, so that's weird, but that's the second time it's happened. So I just want to thank everybody for that. And also I hope that y'all have a very great, awesome, magical day. I'm gonna put her Patreon down below, Instagram, and the websites where you can find her book. And Candy, I love you. You are the best. The girls and I enjoyed y'all's gifts. They handmade gifts for us, y'all. Her son. Oh my God, her son is like the cutest. I love hearing him laugh and talk and stuff like that. But anyways, I am gonna go. I love y'all. Y'all, I'm trying. I'm sticking with it, y'all. I'm sticking with it. Thank you for your patience, and I love y'all so much. And we will talk sometime soon. Bye.